Hello everyone, welcome to Workstatus. I am Zeba and I am going to give you a walkthrough of the application. But before we start, let's understand how does the accounts work in here. The account that you create at the very first is termed as the admin account. The admin account has control over all of the members you add, the settings you do, and the features you want to view inside the account created. The second is the user account. That is the account when you add a member to your organization is given. Now, let's start a journey by giving you a brief of all of the modules and the workings available with us. The first module that you see is dashboard. The dashboard of the admin account looks like this. Here, in this drop down, you may deselect the widget that you don't want to see. You'll be able to see the working hours, the average productivity time, members, project work, task, and the budget status, attendance as you go on scrolling to the bottom. The dashboard can be seen for all of the members, department, or team available inside your organization. The view of the widgets in the dashboard can be seen as per the today, weekly, monthly, or the custom date range that you wish to apply for. The next module that you see here is timesheet. In the timesheet section, you will be able to see the time logged via the desktop app or the manual entries or mobile web tracker, and the Chrome extension is coming up here where you get the segregation as per the productivity hours, the idle time, and what is the activity that actually being recorded for the specific member. In the approval section, you will be able to see the list of all of the entries that has come up for your approvals that you may reject or you may deny. Further in the timesheet, if you click on switch view, you will be able to see a pictorial representation of the timesheet which is being logged. Further here, to see the segregation by project wise, you can click here and you can see the project wise segregation of the time that has been logged for a specific member. Now we have a project section for you. In the project section, you'll be able to create a new project by clicking on add project button over here. And once you create, the listing is going to look like this. It gives you the listing of the project names, what are the members added, the client status, what is the profit and loss if any budgets are being made inside that, the margin percentage, and the budgeted time used. In the project section, you will be able to create the tasks, task list, budgets, and invoices. So project is a go-to place for project management activities. Further, if you have the project section available with you, the finances can be maintained by making the budget, expenses, invoices, and generate the payroll system. So Workstatus is all your go-to place for all of the project management and the HRMS system available for you. Your centralized hub is the calendar. It gives you attendance, time of request, and the schedule. Let's understand them each one by one. For the attendance, it gives you the visual representation of the attendance, check-in, check-out time, total hours, the working hours, the date, and it also gives you a pictorial representation of the monthly data. You can select the member from here and you can see the attendance of that specific member. The time of request allows you to add a time off or a leave inside the Workstatus. You may also see the list of the leaves that are applied and have come up for your approval. You can select the member name from this drop down and then you may approve or deny the leave that has come up from your members. Make schedule, assign shifts to your members inside the organization using a schedule. Here you go, the activity section, which gives you what are the screenshots recorded, the apps and URL recorded from the desktop application for your specific members. For that, you have to come up under the activity and screenshots. Now here you will be able to see the list of the screenshots that are being recorded by a specific member. And then you may click on this drop down to select a member name, and you will be able to see that what are the screenshots that are being recorded for that. The app section is going to tell you the number of apps that are being recorded via the desktop application for a specific member in a time duration of 1 hour, where you can make the app or the URL as productive or non-productive or mark it as neutral. Similarly, the URLs are being recorded and you get the list of the URLs which are being recorded from the Workstatus desktop application. Manage the geofencing location around the dedicated job site and start tracking an employee enter or exit the job site. Also, track the total time spent by each employee at a particular job site using the location job site feature of the Workstatus. Reports. View team members' total hours worked, active time, idle time, their away time, and the average hours or average activity per day. View their apps and URL visited by team member, by department, or by the specific member. You can also see the budget report that provides a summary of a plan and actual financial expenditures over a specific period. A payroll report provides a detailed summary of the employee salary, which helps business track the payroll better. All of the reports such as time and activity, weekly, app and URL, manual time edit, timesheet approvals, project and task, budget, attendance, basic and advanced, payroll, job site, time of transaction reports are available inside the Workstatus to help you better and analyze better. Manage the employees using the people section. When you come up to the people section from the left navigation bar and you come up to the employees, here you get an opportunity to invite a new member by clicking on this button. Once it is done and the member has been a part of the organization, a listing of the members look like this, where you'll be able to see how many employees were online and how were on remotes. You also get the data of the people who are on leave, how many are working on different OS devices, and how many have been onboarded, whether they have accepted or cancelled the request. You'll be able to see this data in the table, graph, or the grid view. Next we have for you is the team. In the team section, you'll be able to add a team formation where a team lead will be assigned and the teammates will be given under that. You will be naming a team and thus organize members into team for better collaboration and tracking. Group team into department to manage the role and workflows. Similarly, you can manage the clients by assigning them to the projects and viewing them. The clients can access the projects and can see the history which is being maintained over there. We have number of settings available here with respect to the organization department, member roles such as the edit organization, department settings to enable and disable the department functionality for you, invoicing, payroll, custom, approval of the timesheets, manage your screenshots, add the shift alerts in the schedule section, escalations, the leave request. It also gives you an opportunity to manage the notification and the achievements received via emails to your members. By Workstatus, you can integrate a third-party PM tools and integrate with us to make it much better. The subscription is going to give you what is the plan that has been running and the billing history of all of the payments that you do. So these are the settings which give you a control of the features available with us. So this was a brief introduction and a walkthrough of the application and its features. I hope that it was useful to you and your business. If you have any query, please connect through us via the chat button which is linked on the very right bottom corner. We will be happy to help you. Thank you for your time and we wish to onboard you and become a Workstatus family. Goodbye.